teacher Samantha. Welcome to summer course. And well, today we're gonna see the topic I am from, okay? So sometimes we talk about where are you from? Well, maybe some people is from Mexico, Canada, United States, London, Querétaro, Sinaloa, Monterrey, different places, okay? But we are Mexicans. We live here in Mexico, in Guadalajara, okay? So, I am from Mexico. So, today we're going to do a flag. And, well, you need a stick, color sheet, colors, and glue. So, first, I'm gonna put some glue here. And I'm gonna put here the other sheet. Then I'm gonna put this in the white sheet. So I'm gonna put some glue. And I'm gonna put here. It is very easy, okay? And well, let's see. I have here. And then I'm gonna put my flag into the stick, okay? But first, I'm going to color an eagle, okay? So maybe it's gonna be with color brown. I'm gonna color my eagle. I don't know how to draw very well, but I'm going to do my eagle. Okay. Well, then I'm gonna put some glue. And I'm gonna put the stick here. We need to glue very well, and well, you're gonna wait a few minutes and then you will have your flag, okay? So this is a Mexican flag. I am Samantha and I am from Mexico, okay? So in your house, you're gonna do the same, okay? So you need color sheets. You will need green, white, and red. Then you will need colors. You will need the stick. And you will need some glue, okay?